Namaste, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you all to Brahmin Satya YouTube channel. This channel we have started basically predominantly for upliftment of Brahmins. Upliftment of Brahmins means though we have a merit, we don't have, due to reservations, we don't have opportunities. And though merit, we have merit, we don't get admissions. And wherever we get admissions, there we have problems for high fees. So to address basically all these problems of Brahmins, we have started this channel, Brahmin Satya. We also have our own app, that is Brahma Satya app. I would request all of you to download that app. First register to our website www.brahmasatya.in. This is our website. We have given a link over there. From that link you can download that app, Brahma Satya app. Now today's video is basically to focus on your education. So we have started this Brahma Shiksha under Brahma Satya. Brahma Satya Education Brahma Satya Education Institute. We have started this Brahma Shiksha. So Brahma Shiksha, what Brahma Shiksha exactly? Predominantly we are starting courses in management, post graduation engineering, this thing, and healthcare, diploma and degree in healthcare. So diploma and degree in healthcare are basically these courses where we will be teaching foreign languages also, basically French and German in initial stages, and later on as per demand Arabic or something like that also. So basically healthcare students, all these people who have studied healthcare will have a 3 years healthcare degree or 3 years diploma. In that, after 10th we will have diploma, after 12th we will have a degree. In that we will be teaching anatomy, actual healthcare this thing, and 1 year is for your on the job training. And with this we will be teaching this foreign languages also, wherein these people stand in high opportunity to get jobs abroad also. Healthcare faculty is not that much grown up in India as of now, because all our hospitals are patient centric. They are not all our hospitals are not patient centric, they are commercial centric. So therefore there are less opportunities for healthcare people in India. And healthcare, and after having healthcare courses, people get hardly 15 to 25,000 salary, not more than that, which is not sufficient for in today's life. That is what I am talking in A grade cities. So A grade cities, if they are getting this much, a person cannot survive. A family is very difficult to survive a good life in Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore, and some such other places. So therefore, these people, there is a lot of opportunity for these people. They are abroad in European countries, in Canada, in Arab countries. Already people from other countries are going there. So we will promote you in that way area, and we will teach you all those things, and we will give you jobs there in the European countries. Over and above that, we are starting management courses. Management courses is 5 years MBA program, that is Master of Business program after 12th. That is a 5-year program, and there we will have specializations like IT security, mutual fund management, then your treasury management, banking. In marketing we will have different marketing. That is FMCG marketing, liquor marketing, then capital goods smart marketing. So all these things, and we will teach all those students. We will make them masters in 2 domains. So if one domain doesn't work today, the other domain will take care of that. So both this we are going to do that. Thirdly is there are some international experts who have approached us within the community, and they are ready to help us. They are willing to help us. They are ready to help us on all aspects. So one is an post-graduation engineering program of 15 to 18 months, wherein we will be, that is basically initially we are starting for energy. So those program for energy. So after engineering, any engineering graduate can take up that program, and post that program, we will place them into best place, best place for job in India and or abroad. The basic motto of this thing is that ideally that gentleman from Singapore who is going to head this energy program, Dr. Vaikar, he told me, he very nicely told me that we will make our people global centric, globally competitive. So their local competitiveness is already will get eradicated automatically. So I would request you, all the students, to come forward to learn this. All those students who want to learn this, okay, with fees, will be most welcome. Those who require fee, this thing, they will have to get 20% of their own. 80% will be financed by us, which would be paid after a 1 year monitoring between 5 to 7%. So all those who want to learn this, who want to come up, who want to study, please get yourself registered on www.brahmasatya.in, our website, and there you have there you have a link to download the Brahmasatya app, because henceforth all our communication regarding this would be through the app, would be through the website. Okay, I would just come here and speak on this. Other intellectuals will be also shortly coming and taking over, giving you lectures on this. So all these people, why that is again mandatory is that because initially, since COVID is not yet gone, there would be virtual classes. After virtual classes, we will place you in good companies, and there itself you can get absorbed, or post that you will automatically get jobs. So that is not a this thing, and this is an totally autonomous course. We are not depending on government. The course is designed by IIT professionals who are with us, headed by Dr. Ajay Deshmukh, who has done his instrumentation doctorate from IIT Mumbai, and other people also. Shortly we will be naming them also. So once the draft is ready, so these people are right now studying top 10 institutes of particular course, and taking out of that, and supported by the international fraternity of experts, and putting their own this thing, and we are preparing our own syllabus, our own curriculum, and with that our own curriculum and our own syllabus, we will be the best education institute in the world in coming 10 years. I request you all to subscribe to this website www.brahmasatya.in and download the Brahmasatya app. Thank you very much. Namaste.